Hmm. So here it is given on either side of the road. So first let's make a road. On either side of the road, two poles of equal heights are standing. So on the both sides of the road, two poles, let it be, the poles are A, B and another pole is C, D. Two poles of equal heights are standing and that is also opposite to each other. And the road is of 80-meter wide. That means the distance between B and D is your how much? It is your 80-meter. Now, from a point between them on the road. So let's take a point C between B and D. So from this point, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles. That means from point C, the angle of elevation to the top of the poles. Top of the poles means to point C and to point A. So now let's make. So instead of making C, let it be. It will be easier for us if we make it E. Now the angle of elevation from point E to point C is this one, and the angle of elevation from point C to point A is this one. So this is your angle of elevation, so it is in upward direction. This is also angle of elevation, it is also in upward direction. Now what are the measurements given? Angle of elevations are 60 degree and 30 degree. Let's make this your 60 degree and this your how much? Now this your 30 degree. Then it is asking find the heights of the poles. So we have to find the height, that is height AB and height CD. So at the end we have to find the value of AB and the value of CD. Then the distance of the point from the pole. That means at which distance point E is present. That means from B and from D. That means we have to find the value of BE and also the value of DE. So this much of value it is asking. So now let's take BE as X. We have total BD total value we have 80, and if BE as X, what should be the value of DE? Now by default it will be 80 minus X, because the total height is 80 and we took this part as X, so this part is 80 minus X. Now let's solve the triangle ABE. In triangle ABE, yes, the triangle is ABE. The theta is how much? 60 degree. Apply the formula tan theta is P by B. Now theta is 60 degree, tan 60 is P, perpendicular. So which side is P? Now the side opposite to the angle theta. So AB is your P, and what is your base? Now base is your BE. B is the base, and we know what is the value of tan 60. Tan 60 is √3, and AB value we don't have. Let it be like this. And what is the value of BE? And just now we took it is your X. Now cross multiply. Give denominator as 1. It will be easier for doing cross multiplication. So 1 into AB is equal to √3 into X, or simply AB is equal to √3x meter. Now let's solve the triangle CDE. Angle D is 90, theta is 30, front side is perpendicular, and this one is base. So in triangle CDE, again we'll apply tan theta, perpendicular. that is yes, formula is perpendicular by base P by B. Now what is the value of theta here? Now theta is 30 degree. So tan 30 is equal to P, perpendicular. Now perpendicular is just CD. And base, this one is a base is here DE, base is here DE. Tan 30 का value, tan 30 we know it is 1 by root 3. And what is the value of CD? And the question it is given 2 poles of equal height. That means what is the value of CD? Same is the value of AB. So I am replacing CD as AB. By DE here, D we took it as 80 minus x. Now cross multiply. So it is a root 3 into AB is equal to 80 minus x into 1. And AB ka value we have here, it is your root 3x. So now put root 3 into root 3x is equal to 80 minus x multiplied with 1. So anything multiplied with 1, it is your same. Now root 3 into root 3. What is the value of root 3 into root 3? That is your 3 into x is equal to 80 minus x. Now x is minus in the right side. In the left side it will be plus 3x plus x is equal to 80. 4x is equal to 80. And what is the value of x? Now it is your 80 by 4. And the final value of x is your 20 meter. We took which one? We took BE. We took BE as x. So we got BE as your 20 meter. And what about DE? DE is, we took it as 80 minus x. So DE is your 80 minus x. It is your 80 minus x 20. 80 minus 20. It is your 60 meter. So what is the value of DE? Now DE is your 60 meter. But what about AB? That means it is one of the height of the pole. That is your AB. And here we got AB is your root 3x. AB is your root 3x multiply. AB is equal to root 3 into x. That is your root 3 into x. We got x is equal to 20 meter. We can put the value or we can keep it as 20 root 3 meter. What is your 20 into 1.732 meter, or it is your 2 into 17.32 meter, or it is your 34.64 meter. So we got the value of the poles. That is your AB is your 34.64 meter, and the point E is at a distance how much? That is BE. Value of BE is your 20 meter, and value of DE how much? That is 60 meter. Thank you for watching.